Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better.
Hello everyone,
Hello everyone.
welcome to Little Riders.
Welcome to Little Idea and very hot soup.
Yes, these are the summer seasons and our little kids are getting bored at home. So today we are having an amazing activity. What is the activity known as? The activity is known as we are going to make a bird feeder. What are we going to make?
Bird feeder.
Do you know what is a bird feeder? Do you know?
No.
We are going to give birds the food. The birds, we are going to make a little bird feeder, a little plate. How do we eat food? We eat the food in the plate. So in the same way, today we are going to make small plates and other things, and in which we are going to put the food and hang it on the tree, so that when the birds will come flying and they will be so hungry, they will eat the food. Yes? So how are we going to make? We are going to make here 2 bird feeders. Okay? And what do we need for the bird feeder? There are many ways of making bird feeder, but here I have took this empty egg carton. So first bird feeder we are going to make by this empty egg carton, and then for the second one I have these popsicles. These popsicles, some of them I have colorful, some of them I have plain, and here I have this thread. This is a thread. With this we are going to tie and hang it on the tree. And you know what? I have so interesting food for the birds. This is known as the birds food.
Yeah.
So here is all what we need for making a birds feeder.
Feeder.
Just have a look at it.
The homemade bird feeders not only preserve the garden, they also invite your feathered friends to come and play.
Cut it.
It's
Yes.
a great
And
weekend
we're going to cut.
for the kids, and the best part is that the nest
And we're going to
stays
cut
where
the
it should
bird
be,
feeder.
outside.
Yes.
If you are an avid crafter, you probably have most
सीधा
of the
करना है,
supplies
nice,
you need in this activity. Closet. You don't need a lot of paint, so it's a great way to use up those
Very
used
good.
egg cartons or the
Very
crusty
good.
old bottles of the craft
सीधा
paints.
ऐसे
You know
नहीं
what we are talking about, right? We can use anything which is left useless in our home. Michael and I had so much fun in making this homemade bird feeder. Birds are more than just pretty creatures that soar the skies and sing songs from high up in the treetops. They are actually vital to the health of plant life, with some working to distribute nectar, others to spread seed, and others still to globe up pesky insects. The roles different birds play will help keep your garden and its surrounding ecosystem alive and thriving. That means finding ways to attract birds to visit your garden is a good idea. And the best way to take care of birds in your neighborhood is to provide them water in form of bird bath and shelter in form of trees and other native shrubs. For the first bird feeder, we simply used an empty egg carton and just trimmed it to a smaller size, and then punched hole and attached the threads to it so that it could be hung on the tree easily. And here you can see our first bird feeder is ready, and it was so simple and easy. The kids enjoyed a lot. I must say, you should try it and invite the feathery creatures in your garden. This is a great earth craft also, and a great opportunity to talk with our kids about earth. Earth is a huge big with lot of history and news stories. It's a lot for young kids to understand. We can teach them to recycle, reuse what we already have in a craft, and to take care of the environment. And same in the case of the bird feeding. And here we have started preparing a second bird feeder, for which we used the colorful popsicles. Here we have pasted the popsicles with the help of a glue gun stick. First I thought Using glue gun stick will be tough for my daughter, but here you can see how excellently she is using it as if she has mastered it. And for the bottom, I placed here a hard paper and sticked it with the Fevicol and then attached the strings. I even trimmed the extra cardboard which was coming out. And here is a second bird feeder ready. Tan, tan, and now it's time to hang it on the tree. The best part was hanging the bird feeders. And once the bird feeders are completely ready and hung on the tree, make a day of finding fun places to hang them in the yard and see how quickly the bird come to get some snacks. If bird watching is your favorite thing, grab some binoculars too. By establishing good habits like recycling at a young age, those habits are more likely to stick with kids as they get older. Younger generations are already becoming more conscious consumers, and instilling environmental values at a young age will help. Encouraging an interest in the outdoors will allow them to appreciate what they love about the environment. Children are a future, so it's important to teach them about environmental issues so that they can continue to help create change together. And thus, this is a wonderful way to start with the environment. What an environment gives us, how beautiful it is.
Now. Now.
तुम इधर देखो Look in the camera. Look in the camera.
दूसरी में डालेंगे
कैमरा में देखिए तुम गिरा रही हो सब इधर खुला हुआ है ना थोड़ा 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 बढ़ेगा ऐसे नहीं ऐसे नहीं बस 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 बस
देखो तेरा
गोदी लेने की जरूरत नहीं है ऐसे आ जाते हैं बल्लू ये सब
ये दिखाऊं तो दिख नहीं
देखो
नहीं
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got